Start by drawing two big circles, one for the body and one for the head. Add two stick arms, a carrot nose, and a big smile. Then put a hat on top and a little vest on the snowman. Now color the snowman white with blue shadows. His hat can be black, the carrot nose orange, and the vest bright yellow with red edges. Don't forget the puddle of blue water under him. Perfect! Our snowman looks cheerful, waving happily. Great job, you made a playful snowman friend. First, draw a head with two pointy ears and big round eyes. Add a slim body for legs and a long fluffy tail with a white tip. Now color the fox orange. The face and belly can be cream or white, and the nose black. Add small black spots on the back for extra detail. Wonderful! Our fox looks clever and curious with its big tail. Well done, you made a smart little fox friend.